Hi guys, thanks for being with me again here on my Jane Luco Arts channel. And now I'm going to show you everything we're going to use today on this fluid painting. Hope that it's visible to you. All right, that's the 24 karat gold from US Supply. This is a lovely pistachio and it's from Tavulosa. It's pretty color. I got this green from those color change. I like this color because it's kind of shimmering in the metallic. And they change the color. Sometimes it's like it looks a little bit different than it looks like. So I made the orange from this red and I mix it with the yellow to get the orange. As the red from Artist Loft. My violet is going to be from the color change flash, and I have this really nice dark brown metallic from US Supply. All right, let's start, and I'll shake the base to mix it well. All right, let's go. I'm gonna use the white base. Today I make a little bit more thin, more like a liquid. And I hope that works well. Just spread on the canvases with my spatula that I copy the other artist. She said that the spatula was so good, so I bought it. And it works really good. Let's clean my spatula because I don't like painting dry on it. It's a silicone, but you know, kind of hard to remove that later. Okay, let's start it. Pop the bubbles. I'm gonna use my dryer to spread that because I already cleaned my spatula, so I don't want to mess it up. But ooh, oh my gosh, that's too strong. There we go. I already make a mess. So let's start with the colors. I'm gonna start from the metallic brown, dark brown that I talked before. It's the first time that I'm gonna use that color. Hope that works well. It's kind of black and silver mixed. Yeah, but yeah, for the bottle color I think it's fine because it's on a white canvas, so I think it's gonna be okay. Now I go with my purple. Yeah, the white paint is very liquid. I can see the color start to spread. Now I'm gonna use my green, and I'm gonna put the pistachio on the top of this green. The pistachio is so pretty color and has metallic. It's very it's light color, but it's very shiny. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of my orange. Already spilled there. I can fix later. And the gold I'm gonna put on the top of the orange. Lots of gold. Now my blue. It's the brilliant blue from Arteza. I'm gonna put it on the top of the gold. I'll clean this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, the white's going to the on the top of the now torch it to pop the bubbles again. And we're gonna start to blow this baby. I'm gonna start from the middle this time. And very gently without to get too close to the canvas. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Now what I'm gonna do here. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I see, but I love it. It's getting very, very nice. Every single time that I'm gonna blow this canvas, it's like a butterflies in my stomach. I feel so nervous. Beautiful. It's so frustrating when something goes wrong, but I got so happy when everything goes okay. Oh my God. Wow. My gosh. That is just amazing. coisa linda. That is my favorite. Oh my gosh. That is my favorite right here. I'm gonna use the straw because I can't reach there and I'm afraid to touch the paint. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom the camera to then you guys can see how many cells they pop on this painting. I'm so happy with that painting. I think it's my favorite. So if you guys like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, touch the bell, and to see the next video. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm so happy. Yeah, one more happy painting. If you guys like it, please give your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see the next video. And hope you guys have a wonderful night. All right, bye-bye.